so we got that one a little fat. Here, let's try to get a fresh lie in here. So now let's hit one more and then we'll kind of talk about what happens between the two. Okay, great. So we got that one out. That was a lot better. So kind of what did you notice between those two shots there?
I think I had the first one a little too far forward in my stance.
Okay.
Took a little too much sand coming through.
Right. Okay.
Maybe
cool.
didn't have the club face open enough.
Right. So I don't think your club face angle was too much of an issue there. I think with sand shots, I generally like to put it forward in my stance. May I see your club for a second? So what I like to look for is we're trying to hit maybe about somewhere about an inch right behind the ball. The key though with sand shots is we want to make sure we're not trying to dig down to the sand because that's going to take a lot of our power out. We want to make sure we're trying to swing through the sand and get a nice smooth divot coming out. So here, why don't we take one more? Really trying to what we want to do is just swing through the sand, really try to use that sand to splash the ball out. We don't want to really try to dig down at the ball. So get a nice smooth swing. You don't need to overpower this because all we're trying to do is get it. We're only trying to carry it about, what's this, maybe 10, 15 feet. And we're just our goal here is to get it out of the bunker. Perfect. That was much better. Excellent shot. Great ball. So did you notice about that one? You kind of were able to keep your momentum through. You didn't really dig down too much.
Right.
Club
head just kind of slid through the sand.
Exactly. Obviously, certain circumstances will call for certain types of shots. But when your main goal is just trying to get it out of the sand and onto the putting surface, that's all we need to do is just get, like I said, we're aiming for about an inch, inch and a half behind the ball and try to just swing nice and smooth through the sand, not really dig down too much on it. And then, obviously, if we need to try to stop that ball faster, we're going to maybe open the face more and try to pick it a little cleaner. And then, obviously, your swing variance will change depending on how far we're trying to hit the ball versus, currently we're here in a sand bunker. So, like I said, we're really going to try to use that sand a lot more to splash that up in the air. If you're back further in a fairway bunker, that might change the ball a little bit. We're trying to hit ball first and not really use the sand as much because we're trying to carry a much further distance.
Okay.
All right, great job.